It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our 28-foot Islander today. Nice little sailboat. I was really surprised by the condition of the boat, especially the inside. It doesn't have any funky smells in it. The upholstery's in great shape. He's the second owner. He bought it after the first owners had it for about 5 years, and then he bought it. He's owned it for the last 46 years. Yes, 46 years. Time to get out of boating now. Look at the upholstery in this boat. It is in beautiful condition. You know, there's a lot of cheap boats out there for sale these days, but they don't look like this one. This boat is in great condition. The upholstery's really nice. It has this cool convertible table that disappears, opens up for a family. You have sleeping, a V-berth up front. Typical, you know, boat of the vintage, but it's in great shape. Marine head, vanity sink. You know, basic, but it's basic cruising. Inexpensive, how it should be. No fancy bells and whistles. It does have a VHF radio. It has well, that looks like a cassette player. I was going to say it has an 8-track, but it's got a cassette player. It's got a 2-burner alcohol stove, ice box, quarter berth, but it's in nice shape. Those big wrenches are for the stuffing box, is what it's for. What a great little boat. Realistically priced, nice and clean. Give Christie a call, 604-317-3847, or myself, 604-708-1980. The boat is a Canadian boat located in Point Roberts, Washington. I have to do the showings on it. You will deal with Christie on the balance of it. I'm happy to take you for a sea trial upon accepted offer. At the price point, we're basically giving the boat away at this price point, and it's in great shape. 28-foot Islander. Give us a call. Assumable warranty available with the boat. Thanks for watching.